Good morning, children. Welcome to the second video for the chapter number 11, Sunita in Space. So, this is the second video, and in the first portion we can see the collection of pictures and experiences along with date that Sunita shared with us. It's the date 9/12/2000 and you can guess the year when it was time for the launch. They took off and our feet don't stay on the floor. That's another interesting fact Sunita told us. Next, where is the food flying away? Next, look, my hair is standing. No problem while walking. Sunita outside the spaceship, really in space. The last picture confirms her being in space, and that's really interesting. Sunita says that her friend Kalpana Chawla wanted to come to India and meet children. She came to India to fulfill Kalpana's dream. In space, there was no need to comb. My hair kept standing all the time. Not being able to walk, we had to get used to floating around. Those were some of the interesting facts we came across earlier as well. Just by observing Sunita's hair, you can see how our hair also behaves in a different way when we are in space. We had to learn to do simple things differently. To stay at one place, we had to strap ourselves there. Papers also had to be stuck to the wall of the spaceship. It was a lot of fun living in the space, but it was also difficult. Isn't it amazing? Sunita Williams went 360 kilometers away from the Earth in the spaceship. Think how far this would be. Find out which town or city is located about 360 kilometers away from where you live. This is how far Sunita Williams went away from the Earth. Classroom becomes a spaceship. Close your eyes Imagine that your class is a spaceship. Zoom in 10 minutes you have entered in spaceship. Your spaceship is now going around Earth. Now say, are you able to sit at one place? What about your hair? Oh, look! Where are your bags and books going? And what is your teacher doing? Where is her chalk? How did you eat your food during the break? How did you drink water? What happened to the ball that you threw up? Act out or draw the scene. Next we have, isn't it amazing? On the earth, when we throw something up, it comes down, right? When we throw a ball up in air, it falls back. We are able to catch it. On the earth, we don't keep floating around. When we fill a glass or bucket with water, it stays there and doesn't float around or in blobs, as Sunita Williams says. It is something special about the earth that makes this happen. The earth pulls everything towards it. Sunita Williams went 360 kilometers away from the earth in a spaceship. So, just as I told before, find out how far is 360 kilometers from your home. Can you now say why Sunita's hair kept standing? Think why water flows downwards on any slope. On mountains too, water flows downwards, not upwards. We could clearly see the curved shape of the earth. Sunita's experience have been used to give to children a sense of Earth's gravity. Actually, in the space, Sunita did not experience the pull of the Earth because the spaceship was revolving around the Earth. So, we can say that there was no gravity on the spaceship, which made her not experience the pull that we experience on Earth. Earth's surface gravity is the pull that does this phenomenon. When Sunita saw the Earth from space, she found the Earth very beautiful. Many thoughts came to her mind as she describes it. From so far away, one can only make out the land and the sea. So, we can say from Sunita's experience that from the space we can only differentiate the land and the sea because the earth is really massive. Look at this photograph of the earth taken from a spaceship. From such photographs, today we can know what the earth looks like. But thousands of years ago, people could not imagine what the earth looked like. Scientists tried hard to find out how big is the earth, how does it go around. Look at the above photograph and tell, can you see India? Can you recognize any other place? Where is the sea? Do you find anything similar between the globe and the picture of the earth? In what ways are they different? Do you think Sunita could make out Pakistan, Nepal and Burma separately when she saw the earth from space? What was her view when she saw it from space? Tell me your opinion. It's time for the activity of the day. Today's activity involves some interesting words. From the given box, you have to find the words that you can observe and circle them. And below, note down the words related to the chapter. Let's have some fun and find out some words.